Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer marketing strategies with Mailchimp step by step clearly.
Log in to your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Campaigns tab.
Click on the Campaigns tab to access your existing campaigns.
Choose the campaign you want to transfer strategies from. Click on the name of the campaign to open its details. Review the campaign's performance metrics.
Take note of the open rates and click-through rates.
Next, go to the Audience tab.
Identify the specific audience or segment used in the campaign.
Evaluate the audience demographics and engagement levels. Now, head over to the Templates tab. Select a template that aligns with your marketing strategy. If you have a specific design in mind, you can create a new template. Customize the template based on the insights you've gathered.
Incorporate elements that have proven effective in past campaigns.
After customizing, save the template for future use. Next, navigate to the Automations tab. Create a new automation based on your desired marketing goal. Select the trigger for your automation, such as audience activity. Add relevant emails to the automation sequence. Ensure that each email aligns with your audience's interests. Now, proceed to the Reports section to analyze past campaigns. Identify strategies that led to higher engagement. Take notes on call to action effectiveness and subject line performance. Using these insights, create a plan for your new campaign. Develop a content calendar that schedules your campaign rollout. Incorporate seasonal promotions or relevant events if applicable. Finally, review all your strategies and content before launching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.